Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will be seeing how we can disable pop-up blocker on our Google Chrome. So for that you need to open up your Chrome browser, and after that click on the three dots that you will be seeing on the top right corner. Then go to your settings, and in your settings you need to click on privacy and security, and there you will be able to see this option of site settings. Just click on it, then scroll down to the very end, and then you will be able to see this option of pop-ups and redirects. Just click on it, and here you can allow or disallow the sites to send pop-ups or redirects. And if you don't want sites to send pop-ups or redirects, then just simply don't allow it. And if you want to add a specific website for allowing or not allowing them to send pop-ups or redirects, then you can just simply add them in the particular or specific section. And this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.